In rural India, there is a man who did the impossible, using this made-up basic ambulance, and in the middle of COVID-19, he saved 1,000 other lives.
मैं सिर्फ एक ही फंड के दूरी में हूँ, चाहे रात चाहे दिन में.
Who is he? Why is he doing this? And how could this farmer afford to build a hospital? In this small village in India, I found Karimul.
Hi, I am Karimul. Everyone call me Ambulance Dada.
Years ago, Karimul's mother fell really sick. So sick that he had to find a way to get her to a hospital. But he lives far, far away, and in these remote villages, there are no hospitals. So he went door to door asking for help. But nobody could find help. What are they supposed to do? The next morning, his mother died.
मैं उस दिन सोच रहा हूँ, जो दिन मेरा माँ गुजर गया, उनका बदन से हाथ दे के मैं कसम खा लिया, जी माँ, मैं गांव वालों को किसी बंदा को बिना इलाज से, बिना ट्रीटमेंट से मरने नहीं दूंगा. मैं ये काम करूँगा जितना दिन मेरी जिंदगी बचेगी, जितना दिन मेरा ताकत चलेगी.
A few months later, his friend got bit by a snake, and Karimul knew he could not lose another life. So without wasting any time, he put his friend on his bike, tied him to his back, and rode 50 kilometers to the hospital and saved his life.
वही दिन मेरा दिमाग खुल गया, जे एक बाइक लोगों की जिंदगी बचा सकता है.
So he decided to turn his motorbike into a made-up ambulance. He started bringing sick people to the hospital on his small bike for free, day by day, one by one. He made his way over rivers, through bad traffic and rough roads where even an ambulance couldn't go. As he saved more and more lives, the same people who made fun of him in the beginning now called him for help, and he became their hero.
मैं सिर्फ एक ही फंड के दूरी में हूँ, चाहे रात चाहे दिन में.
But Karimul didn't stop there. He learned first aid training, organized health camps, and even had his bike fitted with a waterproof stretcher, so that patients have a more comfortable life.
मेरे जिंदगी का एक ही मकसद है, लोगों की सेवा करना, सेवा करना, सेवा करना.
Pretty soon, he was all over the news, and people donated from all around the world. And this is the best part. He saved up so much money from donations that he ended up building an entire free hospital. That's right. This man who came from nothing, who knew nothing about medicine, is now building his own hospital in the very remote areas that need hospitals. And when the pandemic hit, Karimul carried COVID patients to the hospital and also carried dead bodies to the graveyard when no other ambulance would.
एक जुवान लड़की थी, उसके सांस का दिक्कत होती रही, तो कोरोना काल में कोई आदमी जाता ही नहीं, तो मेरे को बुला के ले गया. उसको माउथ टू माउथ उसको मैं ऑक्सीजन डाला, वो लड़की थोड़ा सांस ले लिया, तो उनको हॉस्पिटल ले गया, और 4 दिन बाद सुना उनका इस तरह करके उसका कोरोना हुआ नहीं तो मेरी जिंदगी क्या हुआ ये मेरा मालूम होता नहीं.
Karimul went from being a tuk-tuk driver to saving lives and building hospitals. This guy is the reason humanity is beautiful. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching Nas Daily. Nas means people in Arabic, humans. And we are on a mission to show you the stories of humans from all around the world. I'm actually very excited about the videos we're working on. So please follow us on Facebook and Instagram so that you don't miss a video. We think everybody in the world should watch them. Thank you and see you soon.